To those of you watching this right now that have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down there and click that subscribe button. Do your boy a favor, click that subscribe button. Alright? Yo, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to install the shift light, but I don't want it on my dash like other people be putting it on the dash. I'm going to try to hide it in between here, behind this vent or something. And then when it lights up, it'll just shine through the vent. I don't really want to see it. So we'll see how effective that is when I put this in there and see if it shines bright or something, or I don't know. I'll take the cap off to make sure it shines brighter. But let's get started and see how it works out. Alright, so I'm going to take this out. That comes out. And I also have the back to that dash, the computer part that I broke. Got that, so I'm going to end up fixing that too. Take this out. Back here. Should have took the under part off first. But let me get to this after I take this out under here. Take this out, and then I'll take that center part out. Then I'll take this part out, and I'll show you guys what I'm trying to do. Now the question is, should I put it in the middle? Should I get it hidden in the middle, or should I put it on this side? Like, where would be more effective and less? Where would it be more effective and less annoying? Over here? I don't know. Tuck it in one of these vents. Because I think on this side it would go better. Oh, definitely. And this shit comes right out. I might just... Well, I think I found where I'm going to mount it. Probably going to be on this side, a lot easier to get to. So, let's get to it. Alright, everything's not back together all the way, but I have installed the light. So, drive in, I'm here, face is here. Let's say, drive in. Now I need to shift. Hold on, I didn't find a good ground. There you go. It's actually really subtle. You can't see it behind there. But then touch that, power up. Pretty bright, so ain't no way I should be late. I got it set at like 75 or 72. I think shifting was like at 8 or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting this back together and it should be good. I also gotta work on that dash. I got the parts to put it back together, so I'll probably do that this video and give you a combination of both. Let's see if it powers up. Let's see. Straight ahead. Can I see it? Hell yeah. It's enough for me to shift. You could angle these a little bit more. Yeah, that's perfect right there. So I'll go ahead and I'll fix the computer for this dash and test it. I gotta wait on a few more parts to actually wire it into the car, but I'll go ahead and fix it and test it. Alright, so computer for the new dash is in. I put it on. What I'm actually gonna do is these are like, as you can see, these are like really loose, so these could come off real easy. I'm gonna just solder these on there. I'm actually gonna get two different pieces of wire. Take this top part off, solder that bottom part on first, and then I'm gonna put this one on, solder the top one on, keep it in place so I don't have to worry about it falling off. That's the power wire, and this could be why I'm having a shortage issue for some reason, because the way it's hooked up the way it's hooked up is I see people get the tablet with the HDMI input and they don't run these inputs, so I don't freaking know what's going on. The tablet itself should not be sending any signal back, it's just power. So I don't freaking know. I don't know at all. I really don't. But that literally might be the issue, because I could power the tablet and it powers the computer, or I could power the computer and power the tablet, but still it shouldn't be sending any power back or any signal back via USB to the my K Pro. And then again, when I plug it into the wall, you know, if I use the wall outlet and plug this in, I don't have any issues. It's only when I use that converter I had, the 12 volt to 5 volt converter in the car, and that one broke. I ended up breaking it trying to fix it, so I'm going to try something else and I'm going to see if that works. So let me go ahead and take this off. It's real easy to do, by the way. Unplug that, and this is the Raspberry Pi V4. This, or not V4, this Raspberry Pi 4. I ended up going with this one because it was higher. There's more gigs on this one. This one was like 2 gigs, the other one was like 1 gig. Moved a little bit slower, the other one did, but this one should be fine. And it's hard to work with one hand, by the way, so when I got to solder, I'm probably going to put the camera down, solder it on, and come back to you guys. And once again, the reason I'm soldering it is because I don't want them popping off and I'll lose power to the tablet. So these, alright, so move. Oh, whoa, what a bum, yo. No disrespect, my dog. We'll do that. Take this out. We'll set this over there. My desk is dirty. My desk is extremely dirty. I need to clean it up. But yeah, let me solder this on and I'll get back to you. Alright, here we go. Got it done. Got a heat shrink on. So instead of those long ass wires that I would have had right here, these long wires to go on there, I just soldered 2 little short ones. Well, not short, I cut them, but they're shorter. And they're on there neat, and they tuck away behind the dash like that. And just tuck away back there. I could put this in, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. The garage is a mess. Like, I need to clean this up like big time. So what I'm gonna do is we'll go ahead and test these out. See if they work. Dang, my garage is a mess. Unplug the solder. Plug this in. You can't hear, you can't see me, but you could hear me though. And now let's see. Well, we got power back here, and we active. So my little soldering job worked. Should have kept that screen protector on here. Yeah, my little soldering job worked just fine. So I'll probably go ahead and put this back in the car and run a wire for when I get the other stuff. I could just wire that in. Alright, so I got the dash hooked up. Everything I soldered worked out, so I should have no issues there at all. Everything is working fine with the dash. We'll just see when I wire it in, when I get that other sensor or the other voltage reducer, whatever it is, and I get that, we'll see how that works. Because the other one was shorting out or doing something stupid, and it was causing it to act up. So got that hooked up. I got the shift light hooked up. Some of y'all can see it. My head will probably be back here somewhere, and my peripheral vision is a lot better than what the camera is showing, so I'm sure I'll be able to see that light. Look at that shift light. Don't even can't even see it. Like, so I didn't like want a whole bunch of stuff like on the dash over here or even up here, so I was like, man, I'm gonna hide it. So this ain't in all the way. You could still put this in all the way right here. Could still put that in all the way, and then you could turn this and make it as bright as dim as you want. But I got it like around 72, and it works out fine. See, dash works. Hooked up the air fuel on there, so that's similar to that. So GPS and everything worked, map worked, all that good stuff. So it's working. It's working. To those of you watching this right now that have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down there and click that subscribe button. Do your boy a favor, click that subscribe button. Alright? But I appreciate all the new subscribers. I've gotten a bit of new subscribers in the last couple of days. I appreciate everyone. I'm just here. I'm trying to grow, get better, just as like everybody else on YouTube. So car's coming along. I'll be out on the street soon. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to know when I upload. But thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.